Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix settings will not open on Windows 10, Windows 11. So how to fix it, we will know that step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, you can see here after click on start button and after that click here setting is not working here. Okay, and if you right click on it and click here settings, this settings is not working here. So how to fix it? So right click on start button and after that click here run. After that guys, type here a command in this box ms-settings colon, and after that click here OK button. Okay, click here this OK button, and if this command is not working here, we are going for next method. Okay, now close this pop-up and click here search button and type here under search box cmd command run as administrator. Click here yes, and after that guys, type here a command sfsc, same as it is. Okay, click here enter from keyboard. So wait until this process is complete. So guys, after that close this window. Now we are going for next method. Click here search option again and type here under search box Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell, and click here run as administrator, and after that guys click here yes. Now type here a command same as it is. You can check this command from description. Okay, click here enter from keyboard and wait for some time. This command is executed here. So guys, after that close this window. Now we are going for next method. Click here start and click here restart button. Restart your Windows. Now guys, again click here search box and type here edit group policy, policy. You can see here edit group policies displayed here. Click on it, edit group policy button. So group policy editor gets launched Windows here. After that guys, click here user configuration under administrator templates and click here control panel. After that guys, find here this policy, right click on it and click here edit and select here disabled option here. Okay, and click here apply and then click here OK button. Now close this window. Click here start button and click here settings. After that guys, right click on start button and click here run and type here gpedit.msc and click here OK button. After that guys, expand this policy. Click here again control panel and click here again this edit it and click here not configured. Okay, select this not configured. and after that click here apply and then click on OK button. Close this window and restart your machine. After that guys, check your problem is fixed or not. Now click on start button and click here settings. So guys, your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.